What's going on YouTube? Here with another video today, and I'm going to be showing you how to set up an affiliate business with no money, okay? With no money, that's the key here. A lot of times when we get started, we need to invest money in a laptop, we need to invest money in getting our office set up, we need to invest money in getting our autoresponder or sales funnel set up. We don't have money to advertise, but I'm going to give you guys some free tips and a free business model how you can get started with Clickbank promoting products today. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do here is obviously we're going to become an affiliate. Okay, so as soon as we become an affiliate, we are going to get what is called a hop link, which is going to be our affiliate link that is going to be unique to us and whatever products that we're promoting. Okay, step two, obviously if you haven't already done this, you're going to want to sign up for clickbank.com. They're one of the biggest digital marketplaces for affiliates and sellers. They've been around for a very long time. They're US based, they're trusted. I've been using them for over 10 years. They're great, okay? So once you become you're going to want to choose a product. So you want to choose a product. The first product that you choose should be something that you're comfortable with, something that you're familiar with, and that you're not going to get creative block when you're trying to market and advertise this product, okay? I would stay away from new products that are on the market. I would stay away from anything that has a gravity score of less than 30. Okay, so we want to sell products that we know are proven, that other people are making money on. Okay, so as soon as you choose your product, you're going to want to set up a landing page. Okay, if you do not know what a landing page is, that could be a lead magnet, that could be a pop-up to capture emails. But the main thing with the landing page is that we want to drive our traffic not to our sales page, okay, whatever product that we're promoting with Clickbank, but we want to drive them to a landing page where we're going to be able to give them something for free. So I have a freebie, but what you want to do is either whether that be a video or a webinar or a free product or a free blog post, whatever it is that you're going to give away for free, that's what you want to entice them with on your landing page, okay? So here underneath freebie, I have in parentheses, value, okay? Value. We don't want to just give away something that anybody can find or just some basic generic piece of information. We want to provide value, because you have to remember, these people are taking the time out of their day, they're gonna opt into your list, they're gonna listen to you. They are there for a reason, so provide them something with value, okay? So once you have your hop link, you do not want to send them directly over to the Clickbank sales page. That is a newbie no, okay? What you want to do is drive them to a landing page, give them something for free that contains value, and get them in line with your autoresponder, get them in line with your email list, because the money is in the list, okay? These gurus can tell you whatever they want to tell you about how they made $10,000 overnight, $5,000 overnight, I made $1,000 in 24 hours. That's great, but they probably have a list of like 20, 30, 40, 50,000 people. So of course it's going to be easy to sit behind a computer, type out a few emails, blast them off to 100,000 people, and make sales. But for guys like us, people that are just starting out, I'm trying to teach you that the money is in the list. In order to be able to build your list, you need to build your audience. In order to build the audience, you need to be an expert in that field and provide value. So once you've figured out that you want to become an affiliate, you're going to want to sign up with clickbank.com. Once you sign up with Clickbank, you're going to want to do niche research and find a product with a gravity score of over 30. Once you do that, you're going to get your unique hop link, and you're going to choose a marketing plan of how you're going to promote your landing page that is going to forward people after they give you their email address to the offer that you're promoting. And make sure that the offer is good, guys. Do your research, make sure that it's going to help them, make sure that it works. If you have to do a review on it, do a review on it. But that is the fastest way that you're going to start an affiliate business within 30 days and start making sales. Guys, if you are completely new, I'm going to give you my free Internet Marketing Profits book. That is going to be in the description down below. Also, if you are looking to automate this process, I am also an affiliate for ClickFunnels. With ClickFunnels, you can get up hundreds of landing pages set up in a matter of minutes. I'm going to leave that link down below. It is completely free. Try it out for 14 days. There's no obligation, guys. And until next time, I will see you on the next